everybody? It's your boy Titanic Feet Jack back at you again with another video. Today we're going to take a look at another sneaker. But before we get into that, I'd like to welcome everyone back to the channel. If this is your first time watching one of these videos, I'd like to welcome you to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I load up a video here on this channel. And if you like what you're watching, you like the content that you're seeing, go ahead and sub up to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. And everyone that's watching, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. The thumbs up button helps out the channel and I greatly appreciate it. Just a reminder, guys, I do have a giveaway that will take place once I reach 1.5k subs. I will be giving away a pair of sneakers, and it's very simple. All you have to do is follow me here on YouTube and also on my socials on IG and Twitter. I have those linked down in the description. Hit that drop down, you can click on it and follow me there as well. It's Titanic Feet Jack, pretty much the same as my YouTube name. Now getting into today's sneaker. Today's sneaker is a women exclusive, but it did come in extended sizes. Look at the box. Big ass box. Big ass shoes. Red box. This is the women's box. Give you a look at that box tag. I'm gonna go ahead and read it for you guys. It says women's Air Jordan 1 High OG, color black, metallic silver, size 15.5 in women's. Price $170 US. Let's go ahead and pop the top. You can see up here in this corner, you do have your stamp. Have your standard white tissue paper, and by now y'all know what this sneaker is. Yes, the silvertoe ones. Give y'all a quick little look at this. Yep. Here goes the other sneaker. Okay, guys. We're going to give you a closer look at the sneaker, and we're going to come back with the review. Yes, guys, we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG Silver Toes. These were one of the sneakers that were late getting to the store, so it was quite challenging getting your hands on a pair because once the raffle's over, it gives these store managers the ability to backdoor these pairs. So I had to borrow this pair to get a good look at it, so here we go. If you know the women Jordan 1s, you know the leather quality on here is very, very, very good. Well, looking at your overlays, well, check it out. You got that silver tag with Nike Air on here. But looking at, you got your silver on your going around your ankle, your heel, and your toe box. Got some nice soft tumble leather. Just not as soft as the University Blue Ones leather right here. You got a nice soft black leather swoosh. You got the black leather going down your lace eyelids and around your mud guard. You have a black Jordan Wings logo in here, branded on. And your leather around the ankle, that is really, really soft. It's all, oof, yes, it's soft. Midsole, white midsole with the white threading, and you have black at the very bottom of the midsole, which leads to the outsole. All black outsole, your traditional Jordan 1 outsole. Looking at your heel of the sneaker, classic silver, nice soft material, good leather. Like I said earlier, this is very soft. You got the black. Looking at the medial side of the sneaker, continuation from the other side with the silver around the ankle and the heel. You have black soft leather here and here around the ankle, and as well as the Nike swoosh is a nice soft leather. Your white color blocking right here, some nice leather. It's kind of tumbled. It's pretty soft. Nike always brings out the big guns for the women exclusives. Nice black leather going down your eyelids and you're on your mudguard again. And that white midsole with the black at the very bottom. Let's go ahead and take this shoe tree out. Looking at the shoe tree, got your Jordan Jumpman logo on here. And it is size 13, 14 on your cardboard shoe tree. Let's take a look at that toe box leather. It's kind of stiff, but it's soft. Once the sneaker gets worn a few times, it probably gonna straighten up and be very good. You got your black laces. It also comes with another pair of laces. You see those silver laces with the glitter in there. And these black laces. You got your nylon tongue up here with your black patch with the Nike Air stitched on in that metallic silver colorway. Turn it around. Got that message and all that good stuff. And the inside of the tongue is like a satin almost. Well, not almost. It is satin. And also your sock liner is satin as well. You have a all black insert with the Nike Air in metallic silver. Let's go ahead and see, can we look at that sizing tag? Women's size 15.5. Production date August 26, 2020 to September 24, 2020. So we have about a month of production with these. Comment below, guys. Let me know how was this released in your city. Are you checking for these? I might have to take a poll because I'm not sure if a lot of guys wearing this sneaker or women, but I kind of like the sneaker. I could see myself rocking it, but this is not my pair. I may decide to cop these, I may not, but let me know what you think of this sneaker. Give me an honest opinion in the comment section. Make sure y'all spread the word about the giveaway that's going on. I elaborated about it in the beginning of the video. So after you finish watching the video and you missed about the giveaway, go ahead and rewind and watch the video again. You know, get them views up. Also, it's enough out here for everybody to eat. If you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker. Because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting the sneaker. I'm Titanic Feet Jack. I'm signing out.